Music is spirit. Music is power. Music is the food for the soul. So creating music requires so many things. So many positive mindsets to create the music. The sound, it's not just the beat and the melodies. You need to go down deep, like deep into your mind, deep into your spirit.